In this video, I will show you how to keep the same style within Midjourney. Now, there are actually multiple steps that you can take to keep the same style within Midjourney. So let's not waste any more time and let's get started. First of all, I want to say you can either do this in the Discord version, so in the Midjourney Discord server, or just on the web interface by going to midjourney.com. Personally, I prefer Midjourney.com, so let's do this on the web interface right now. Now, first what you need to do is you need to go to Explore over here, and here you will see this prompt bar. When you tap on this image icon in the left side of the prompt bar, you can add images to your prompt. And here you can manage all of your uploads, so these are all of the images that I have uploaded to Midjourney. You can manage your uploads by going to your username and then tap on Manage Uploads. But that is not what we want to do right now, because we want to upload an image to Midjourney to keep the same style. Now, what you can do is you can either use an image you took, or you can just search an image on Google, for example, Bob Ross painting, as you can see. So what you can do is you can just save this image to your computer by right-clicking on it and then saving it. And then what you can do is you can just upload that specific image of, for example, a painting of Bob Ross to Midjourney. So you can tap on this and then you can upload the image. As you can see, I have uploaded the image of Bob Ross, so the Bob Ross painting. I've uploaded that image to Midjourney, and all I need to do right now is just tap on it, and as you can see, it will take this image as a reference. Now, what you need to do right now is you can just close this. And here it's, these are three options. So when you hover your mouse over this image, you can either select the option to use this as an image prompt, or use this as, as a style reference. So if you want to, only take this style of this image. So for example, if you only want to use a water painting, for example, or an ultra realistic image, you can switch between those, or only the character. So if there is a specific character you would like to use, you can also select that. But we want to use the whole image for now. You can change the the amount of width, or how much inspiration it should take. You can change that by playing around with those numbers. You can also just manually type them, for example, style, or you can just play around with that. AR, for example, 16 to 9. So right now it has an aspect ratio of 16 to 9. But what we want to do right now is actually a painting of, let's say, what do we want to make? A lake with a sunset. All right, and all we gotta do right now is press enter. By the way, you can change the image size also using this slider over here, but let's select 16 to 9, which is a thumbnail size. You can also type it right here easily. But now, let's just press enter and let's see what Midjourney will make. You can find your image under create over here. So let's actually wait. And as you can see, now Midjourney generated an image based off this Bob Ross painting. As you can see, it looks very similar. And now, it generated an image, or actually painting, of a lake with sunset. It is very cool. And if you want to download this image in a higher resolution, you can go to upscale and then tap subtool if you want to keep this the same. Or if you want to maybe change a few things, you can tap on creative, but I do recommend you to upscale it subtle. You can also just change specific things if you want to. You can zoom in, zoom out. You can rerun it. You can use the prompt by tapping on prompt, and now it will copy the prompt, as you can see. It is very cool. So if this video is helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.